there, Alex Kidman here, and today I'm doing a quick unboxing of this, the Samsung Galaxy A05S. That is indeed a 0 there, not an O, although for some reason my brain keeps wanting to call it the A05S. But in any case, it's the very low end of Samsung's Galaxy A series. That's their more affordable phones. Here in Australia, this will run you either $249 or $299. Depending on the quantity of RAM you've got in it. Samsung's just sent it to me. It's the low-spec model in my case, and I've still got to test it. There's a few things I need to find out about this phone, actually, because there's a couple of details Samsung's not terribly clear on, but of course, I've got to get it out of its box. Godzilla here, well, he's just here for visual spectacle, really. I think he can wander off now. Yes, I'm a child sometimes. Now, this is a lower cost phone, so you don't get nice handy little tear tabs on there, which is why I have my friends, the scissors here for the unboxing. As with all my unboxings, I'm just doing this sort of effectively live. I guess I'm recording it in reality, but sort of effectively live within the sense, something just fell down behind me, as you can hear. See, I am live. Effectively live in the sense that I'm just continuing to go. I'm not doing fancy edits or cuts or anything of the type. But, hey, packaging, nice. Presuming we ever fold that thing, which, ooh, that feels like it could have had. Does it have? No, it's just got cables in it. That almost felt like, for some phones you will get a simple plastic casing for the phone. I always prefer to have a case on a phone, but in this case, no. We are just cable-C, just USB-C to USB-C, which is, again, kind of interesting. And then we have the phone itself. Now, this is kind of interesting because this starts at $249, as I said, but it's a budget phone in a market where most of Samsung's competitors have switched over, haven't switched over, I did say this was live, to not providing a charger, but Samsung has. You get cable, you get phone, and you get a little SIM eject tool, which I'm going to eject there, and that's your lot. So, obviously, you need to have a charger, is I guess the point I'm trying to get to there. So, then let us slide. Yes, slide. I'm doing so well here. Slide this open. Look, nice enough design. Obviously, this borrows from the standard Galaxy design. Yes, that is the power button. For what it does. But, nice enough physical design. Looks like a good sort of thing. Cameras on the back are a little bit deceptive there because you're really only actually shooting with a single sensor, 50 megapixel. They've also got a 2 megapixel macro, and look, I think we all know how those 2 megapixel macros go. Obviously, I suppose I do have to be fair. Maybe this will be the amazing one that blows me away, but I'm not holding my breath on that score. And then there's a focusing sensor, and that might make a big difference because in this budget space, yeah, you've got to temper your expectations in terms of battery capacity. The storage on this, actually, I think I might have misspoken when I was talking earlier about which spec model this was, because I believe, if I look at the bottom of this, and if I get it in focus, yeah, this is actually the 128. So this is actually the 299 version. I was wrong earlier. See, did say I was live, and I'm willing to admit my mistakes. I was wrong earlier. This is the 299 model. The 249 model has less storage on board, which is just not as interesting, obviously. But I better get to setting this up and testing this out. So you can expect a full review in due course. But in the meantime, thanks for watching.